Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a nail art inspired from vintage shirt, or you can say vintage men's clothing. So without any delay, let's start the tutorial. Always start with a base coat. After base coat, apply base polish. I'm using here Wet n Wild Burgundy first on my index to create vintage coat look. Then I'm going to add a vintage pattern on top of shimmery red polish using Beauty Big Bang XL003 stamping plate and gold stamping polish. I'm finishing this part here using a matte top coat and adding 3 gold studs on bottom right corner. On my middle fingernail, I am applying a creamy yellow nail polish and on top of that, one coat of reddish pearl top coat. In here, I am creating a vintage shirt with vintage coat on top of that. That's why I am applying that same shimmery red nail polish at the sides of my nail. Now I am going to add lace design on the shirt using Konad M57 round plate and Born Pretty L084 stamping plate with white stamping polish. In 18th century, boys used to wear these types of clothes like velvety jackets, laces on the shirt and many more which I really don't know. Now I am doing hair jacket in the same way I did before and adding a lace pattern in the gap. I am adding a thin line with a gold polish and I don't know why. Now finish with a matte top coat and add 3 pearl studs on the part of the shirt to look it like the buttons of the shirt. I add rhinestones and beads on my ring finger off camera. If you want to know how to place them, then click that icon bar or check out the description box. And that's all for today. Here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my video and my first ever voiceover. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you next week.